Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Longtech, and today I'm gonna show you how to speed up your Windows 10 computer. So let's get started. Okay, go to the Windows setting. System, power and strip, advanced power option, select choose the best high performance. Setting, system, about, system info, advanced system setting. On advanced setting, adjust for best performance. Selecting on advanced, make sure you can select the program, adjust for best performance of program. Okay, graphic setting, classic app, universal app. Browse on disk C, select the program files, select any program you want to run on high performance. Click option, select high performance and save. On universal app, select any program you want to run on high performance. Select the program, click add, click option, click high performance, and then save. If you want to remove program, click remove, select program, and then click remove. Search system configuration, click on boot, select NOGAT boot, select your services, ID or Microsoft services, apply, and then click OK. Your computer needs to restart. Click setting, privacy, turn off these options. Diagnostic feedback, turn on, off, no. On setting, gaming, if your PC is not gaming, for gaming, switch this option off. If you use your PC for gaming, make sure you turn on this switches. If you don't play the games, switch off. On task manager, go to startup, disable any program which has run automatically when you start up your window. So select the program, then click disable. Go to setting, go to personalize, select the current and switch off transparency effect. Go to settings, go to apps. Here you can uninstall any program if you don't want to use. So select the program, click uninstall. Yes. Click program, click uninstall. Search for disk cleanup. See, click OK. Here select all the files you want to delete. Click OK, then delete files. Go setting, update and security, delivery optimization. Make sure you have switched off this option, allow download for other PCs. And here and search for GP edit. Open. We want to disable Cortana. Go to administrative template, go to window component, and go to search it. Allow Cortana, double click, select disable, apply, and click OK. And now search for optimization. We want to optimize the disk drive C. Click optimize. When it has finished, close it. Okay, thank you friends, and this is how to speed up your computer for Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.